guys. Hope you had a very wonderful weekend. And today I want to share my market breakdown on gold and GBPUSD if time permits. All right, as you can see, GBPUSD, what GBPUSD has been doing is it has been moving up and down, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So today will be breaking down and then define what opportunities will the market give us for the next week. Okay, so now from here, this is a breaking structure, right? This is another breaking structure with the market high, and then you see tap into it and then move up. All right, so as you see, the week has all been bullish, and then for now, somebody might be confused. How will I get entries here? How will the market retrace and come back? This is how we do top-down analysis. We break from the higher time frame to the lower time frame to find opportunities which we will be picking in the market. So this was where the market reference to push up. All right. This was also the same place the market reference to push up. So it's very simple and important. If it's very simple if you have a working strategy. All right. So now this is the daily time frame. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. All right. Even in the 4 hour time frame, you see the market has been going up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right. It's been bullish. So it's very, very crucial. So what are we having here? So here, if you can see, we have a shifting stock, a break of structure here, right? A break of structure, and then the market retraced and then went up also again here. Excuse me. Here too we have a break of structure. All right, we have a break of structure here. So what should we be looking for in the market? So remember, you see, buying low, selling high is not a strategy, right? What is actually a strategy is what you need to have in place before pushing the button. Okay, so this is a break of structure, right? This is also a break of structure. There is difference between market structure shift and break of structure. All right. So that is a story for another day. And this is our endorsement liquidity, right? This is our inducement liquidity. So the market came and referenced a point of interest here and then bought, right? So also this is also our break of structure, and then what we will be looking for here is this place. This is the range that we will be working with. This is the 4 hour. Let's drop down to 1 hour time frame. All right, as we know, this is the structure which we will be looking out for. So let's drop to 30 minutes and see which all right, 30. Good. I think the point of interest that this market made was not in 30 minutes. I think it's in 15 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's check 45 minutes. I'm certain. All right. Yeah, sometimes you have to go down to see where the market reference. All right. So sorry about that. All right. So this is a place that the market shift structure from. Like it it referenced this point and then broke to the upside. Okay. So in this is a breakup structure. So now this is what we will be having to use for now. After a market break its structure, it's okay. Sorry, this was the place I was actually waiting for. So this is the range we'll be looking out for next week, even though it's the 5 minutes. Let me shift to 15 minutes. All right. So now this is where the structure broke from. As you can see, the market was doing some. It has something like this, and like this. These two are the two resistance point, like support and the resistance, right? Okay, support and the resistance. So these are just this high and there's this low. So you see, before the market came up, it produced a series of candles like this, and then it broke past this place. So, and then it stressed and then went up. All right. You see, it broke this place here, with a mini structures. So now let's explain this very clear. Before the market push up, this was the other block that influenced the pushing up. So this retrace down to this other block is not something that defies the other block. The other block is still active and is still valid. All right. So after a shift of in the market structure, after a break of structure, the first pullback we have is this one, which is our inducement, right? This is our inducement, and you see as the market pushed down, it went up again and then came down and take it, right? Taking it, it reference places such as this place. We have this place as well, and then we have this. We have 3 points of interest which the market might come and retrace after a break of structure, right? After a break of structure has occurred, the market has three places which this is a breaker block, this is a breaker block, this is another block. Breaker block is a failed order block, right? When the market came here, it's supposed to tap from this place and go down, but it didn't. It broke the structure. It broke the order block. So it now becomes a breaker block. So after this, now we have 3 points of interest. Which one are we going to use? So the one that we are going to use, we'll be using this. We have rules in picking points of interest. All right, that's not our distance. That's not what I'll be sharing in this video. All right, so this is the one definitely I'll be using. So let me write this one to be breaker block, right? And then this, sorry, I want to. All right, I'm putting the inducement there. So all right, this is the inducement. Let's go down to 5 minutes and it will be very more clear. So you see, this one is taken out of the way. So, and as we know, we see this is another block too that the market came and tap into it before pushing to the upside. So that is also a very good thing to look onto. So now, as you see, the market has a low, a high here, a higher low, and then a low here, and then a higher low, and then it's low. right? This is its low, and then this one has its own low. So then the market came and shift and broke this structure. It shift a structure, right, to the upside. And then we have this high too taken, which now we call it, right? So all right, this is a break of structure, and then the first pullback after market structure is this pullback, which will be our inducement, right? Which will be our inducement, and then this is our point of interest after the inducement. So this is what I'll be looking out for in the market, targeting the next high, and then some little push up to the upside. So actually, this is my site uh, on XAUUSD on gold. So I don't know if the buy will hold or will just come down and then start shifting structure to the downside. No one knows. It's just probability. And as you have a proven strategy in hand, so you can count on it, right? So this is my view on XAUUSD. Let's go down to GBPUSD. So GBPUSD has been giving us structure to the upside. So let me go to 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. So you see, GBPUSD has been bullish. You see, it broke market structure, broke up structure, blah blah blah. I have the markup there, so that's very important. So this is what I was seeing. If the market, as the market broke this structure, so it has an order block, a failed order block, which became now our breaker block, right? Breaker block, okay, which became our breaker block. So we don't know if the market will, we don't know if the market might come back to it. But then at the same time, if the market will be coming back to it, it's okay. And then at the same time, you see the structures, they are all being cleared, and then the market was also, is also targeting these places to the upside. So my main target is here, all right, to clear that high. Let me delete this. To clear that high. So all right, then I'm going to change this color. Let me change this color. Yeah, it's kind of beautiful, right? Okay, so this is it. This is what I am looking, what I'll be looking out for in the market. That's if the market will retrace from that place. All right, if it didn't, if it's going to continue to the upside, I have um, I have my setup from here, which the market did something very amazing here before closure last week. Well, let me just say, yeah, because this today is Sunday, is a new week, so the market did. Let me take you down to 15 minutes, so it will be very clear to you. You see a break of structure in this main point of interest. Okay, let me take you to 5 minutes so that you see it's very clear. All right. So you see the break of structure. My POI is this breaker block. So it's pushed to the upside. It broke the structure. And then this is my POI breaker block. You see BB, right? Breaker block. And this is my inducement. This is the first pullback after the break of structure. Sorry, let me be using this because nevertheless it's still the same thing. Still almost the same thing, but that is it. This is the first pullback after the break of structure. So you will be risking the hey we. This is 1:26 point of wow. Risk to reward. 1:26. If this trade will be caught by any one of you, man, you will milk this market. You will make the market, right? This is very, very important, right? So I wish you a very, very beautiful trading week. So I think this should be the thing we'll be working with, because if you can notice, that POI shouldn't be, because there is no market structure. The market structure shifted here. So this should be yeah, anyway. Nevertheless, we don't overanalyze. We leave the market like that, regardless. If it is SL, SL will make beam. If it is TP, TP will make beam. Everywhere good, right? So that is the target we will be. That is the place we'll be targeting, right? So our risk through is 1 to 25.91. Wow, that's very beautiful. $100, we make times 25 of it. Wow. $1,000 times 25 of it. So that is my breakdown on this market, and I wish you a very profitable week. Thank you.